Hello, everybody. My name is Ryan Leusch. I'm coming to you for a modular minute here at S2A Modular. One of the things I want to do is just kind of introduce myself. I'm the Chief Technology Officer at S2A Modular. My background has been a lot of IT, renewable energies, a lot of energy efficiencies in the past. And as it came into building and homes and buildings and all of that, we start to talk a lot about green building. And that's what I want to talk about today is green building and what is it? And green building really is a big holistic approach. There's a parts of the energy in it. There's a lot of other things, but what is green building? Green building is really just a manner in building where we're negating all the negative impacts to our climate and to our environment, but we're also preserving a lot of the natural resources that are typically used in building. And when you do those two things, you'll find a lot of savings in the upfront cost of these buildings and homes, but you're also going to obviously eliminate a lot of those energy costs and the monthly costs that come with these buildings and homes that are built, because you're using low voltage and low amperage devices that really give you that true green building. So green building will get you to something called a net zero environment or even a net positive environment. So what's a net zero environment? Well, when we talk about solar and batteries and the generation of storage and using that energy from your batteries to run your buildings, you generate the amount of energy that your building or home needs. When you do that, that eliminates that monthly cost or that monthly bill. That's a net zero building. And when net metering is what happens when you get into that environment. Net metering has a lot of changes and there's a lot of things happen constantly. And it's important to stay up on that because it affects different areas differently. And again, a lot of changes. Well, when you generate the power that your building needs, that's a net zero and you eliminate that. But a net positive home comes from that next level of green building, which is what we do at S2A Modular. And that next level of building allows you to have a surplus of energy. Now, the same scenario, we generate the energy that we need for net zero and it eliminates the bill. But when we generate that energy and we're using that green building method and manner of building, you might have a surplus of energy. And now you can start to get compensated for that, either through a wholesale market or even back to the grid, and all those areas differ. But that's net positive. And that's really what everybody is trying to get to with green building. And that's what S2A does.
Hi, Kat here, Director of Investor Relations at S2A Modular. Thanks so much for watching the Modular Minute. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming live webinar exclusively for investors. We get into the details of how we are building modular renewable energy, smart homes, and how you can become involved as an investor. Click the link below to register. See you there.